Join me rockhounding and see what I find. Walked over here because I could see things sparkling, but it's actually just fool's gold. Selenite and pyrite here in Arizona, just off the side of the road. Yogi and I are having a blast. As we're looking around, I noticed this odd rock. It doesn't look like the other ones around it. It looks like botryoidal in that pocket there. Right now it just looks like a potato, huh? At least this side. Lots of rocks upstairs. This is crazy. That's crazy. How big that is. There's another piece. Wow. My hands are full already with rocks. I didn't bring a bag. Check out this one. Can you see it there with the geo pocket? We found so many gems. We found dendrite with chrysocolla, but my favorite piece has to be this beautiful heart.